My name is Liang. As a construction practitioner of the live stream, you may also be facing the same problem as me. It's a challenge of limited space. Especially in a prefecture-level city like Wenzhou, the vast majority of live broadcast rooms are only about 5 to 9 square meters. So what about this situation? I believe it is widespread across the country. For lighting equipment, the limitations of small space and the requirements of high-resolution images were indeed a challenge for us. The traditional 280 light stand takes up 1 square meter after it is unfolded. And at least 3 lights should be used in an ordinary live stream. It takes up a third of our space, not to mention the vast majority of it's 5 to 10 times the size of our light bulb.
Today, I recommend a very cost-effective live broadcast softbox to you. K2 series, a quick-loading octagonal softbox in a small King Kong K255. The largest unfolded size of this K255 is only 55 centimeters. The length when stored is 43.5 centimeters. The overall weight is less than the weight of a tablet. And not only that, the K255 adopts a full-size Borong bayonet, compatible with 90% of the live film and television lighting equipment on the market, with 190 mini light stand. It greatly reduces the problem of space occupation. And it can also be used with grids. The miniaturization of softboxers is the need for market development. It benefits from advances in product technology and changes in market demand, with the continuous development of LED light source technology. Lighting equipment is getting smaller and smaller. The volume and weight of the softbox are also gradually reduced to facilitate portability and use. Except for the live stream, small soft light boxers are also being used more and more widely in film and television productions such as movies, TV series, and small-cost online dramas. Consumer demand for lightweight portable devices is also on the rise.
Well, that's all I have to say about K. If you are interested in the K255 softbox introduced in my video and you want to buy it, welcome to leave a message in the comment area or private message me. I am Li Shaofu. See you in the next video. Bye.